Hi guys, it's me, Miss A, and I just wanted to let you know that today this is our math lesson. We focused on numbers 1 through 5. Number 3, 3 little pigs sing tra-la-la. Number 4, little beavers sing tra-la-la. Number 5, who's gonna sing? 5 little monkeys sing tra-la-la-la-la. 3, 5. Number 1, who's gonna sing? A little bear dances a hula-hula. Number 2, who's gonna dance? 2 little birds dance hula-hula-hula. Number 3, who's gonna dance? Let's dance tra-la-la-la. Number 4, who's gonna dance? 4 little peanuts dance hula-hula-la-la. 5, who's gonna dance? And then today, we're going to play with my xylophone. My xylophone is super cool. So you're going to clap to match the xylophone beats that I play. So if I tap it once, you're going to clap once. If I tap it twice, you're going to clap twice. You guys ready? Here we go. How many times should you have clapped? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Did you clap 3? Good job. Let's try another one. That one was kind of fast. Do you know how many it was? Here we go. Ready? This is how many you should have clapped. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try a tough one. Do you know how many you should have clapped? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I got an easy one for you. You ready? How many was that? You should have clapped 1, 2. Good job, guys. Great work on practicing your numbers. For today's assignment, you are going to be organizing a zoo. So, you're going to use the pages from the curriculum packet that you picked up, and you're going to cut out all the animals. Then you're going to separate the animals, because if you put the deer with the lions, what's going to happen? The lions are going to eat them. So you want to make sure that you put all the bears in one area, all the lions in another, all the deer in one area, and all the wolves in one area. Then you're going to count how many animals are in each area. Let's take the lions. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to write the number 4 right under the lion. How many bears are there? 1, 2, 3. So I want you to write the number 3 next to the bears. Do the same for the deer and the wolf. And that's it. That's your math for the day. Good job, and great job on working so hard.